Looking for a screen protector that truly complements your iPhone 13 or 14? This premium tempered glass offers 99.9% transparency, ensuring your display stays crisp and vibrant without any distortion. It's designed to keep your phone's natural colors shining through, so what you see is exactly what you get. At just 0.3 mm thick, this ultra-thin protector doesn't interfere with your touchscreen's responsiveness. You'll enjoy smooth, uninterrupted control whether you're swiping, typing, or gaming. Plus, its slim profile fits perfectly with your phone's design, maintaining that sleek, lightweight feel. Protection is where this screen protector really stands out. Made from high-quality tempered glass, it guards your screen against drops, scratches, and everyday scrapes. The polished finish adds a premium touch while providing reliable durability to keep your phone looking brand new. The hydrophobic and oleophobic coatings add another layer of defense by repelling fingerprints and liquid residue. This means fewer smudges and easier cleaning, so your screen stays clearer for longer. It's a subtle but important detail that makes a noticeable difference in daily use. Installation is hassle-free thanks to the fully loaded kit included with your purchase. You get everything needed for a quick and bubble-free application, even if you're not a pro. Plus, backup screen protectors come standard, so you're covered for future replacements without extra cost. Customers across the United States praise this protector for its ease of use and long-lasting performance. One user shared that after nearly a year of daily use, despite multiple drops, the protector remains scratch-free and intact. That kind of durability is hard to find at this price point. If you're someone who values both clarity and protection for your iPhone 13 or 14, this tempered glass screen protector is worth a look. It balances high-definition viewing with tough defense, all wrapped up in a user-friendly package. Try it when you're ready to give your phone the care it deserves. Protect your investment with a screen protector that delivers on clarity, sensitivity, and strength. With easy installation and trusted durability, it's a smart choice for anyone who wants to keep their iPhone looking flawless day after day.